What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Super Pro Gary Fulton, and we're back with another banger. So we're gonna be roasting Teen Titans because I want to roast this. So hold on. Yeah, let's get right into the roast. So yeah, Robin, what you built like that for? Come on, bruh. Bruh, which one, bruh? Which bruh? I wish Teen Titans Go is like better than this type of Robins. Like, is this like an animation or something? Brand your hair because it still looks like riders from Paw Patrol. How, bruh? How, bruh? What built you like this thing, my boy Robin, bruh? How are you built like this, my guy? Well, yeah, Teen Titans poop my get on my face. You guys are just copying the version of Teen Titans Go. I can see that. You just got yourself Cardinal 4K. Bro, Raven, how are you like this? Why you built like this? Like, come on, man. Bro, come on. Hold on. Finally, Raven took out that hoodie because you look like someone that needs some quiet time. I can finally see those hairs. Beast Boy! Beast Boy! Beast Boy. Bruh, Beast Boy. Bro, what you scared for? Bro, what happened to you? Did you get caught on 4K? Did you get a whooping? Bro, how you turn into yourself into an animal, my guy? How do you turn yourself into an animal? Like, come on now. Starfire! Bro, what those great knives you got on? Bro, come on. Bro, why you built like that? Everyone like built like that. You're just copying a version of Teen Titans Go. And their superpower, bruh. What kind of superpower are you? You're just copying Teen Titans Go. But Cyborg, hell no. Oh. Bruh, Cyborg, why build you like that? Bro, at least you could do some power. I like the Teen Titans Go version of that. You guys are just copying a version. And who goes on dumb missions? Bro, how are you gonna break the screen? If you break the screen, you're paying it, Cyborg. Bro, those colors, chill out. You know what? Go. End the roast. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on the post notifications, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.